Hey guys, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be making a delicious, refreshing Orzo wild rice summer pasta dish. A really good friend of mine and I used to go to J. Alexander's in Toledo, and I used to always get their famous Orzo and wild rice salad. And this was before I knew I was gluten sensitive. So you can imagine how happy I was walking down my grocery aisle and finding gluten-free Orzo. Well, I immediately got online and I found some copycat recipes to J. Alexander's famous pasta dish, and I kind of came up with one of my own, tweaking and changing and trying out things. I think you're really going to love this. It's simple, it's good, you're going to want to make it. Check it out.